This is the application in which we trained Mandy, a robot that uses Wit.ai to identify chemical compounds and the intents of the users, so that they received by email stored procedures and recommendations about how to manage those chemical products properly. So what we did is we created 3 different functions to train the model with different intents, entities, and utterances, and used the data from PubChem that was stored in an Excel like this one, and use Python to integrate everything so that we got the chemical compound and the intent. So to do this, you have to create a Wit.ai account with your Facebook account or a GitHub account. And when you are logged in, you should create a new app and go to settings to identify the access token, which is useful